Mom's home. Let's go help her with the tree. I ain't. But you are. Oh. I just have to help her. I'll get the tree. Whoa, that's huge. You like it? The only one left. I don't like it. I've got it. That's huge. Wow, that is huge. That is huge. So huge. Chester! Whoa. That tree's huge. You didn't carry that? Carried it all by myself. Wow. I wonder what Mom's doing. Yeah, I wonder what Mom's doing. I'm putting on my makeup. Yeah, I'm putting on my... I'm gonna put on my makeup. Ooh. Come in. Hello, Miss Whiskers. Hello, Miss Ruff. Thank you. So is your son here? Yeah. Can they have a play date with my two sons? Sure. Okay. Mommy. Yes, Mimi. Can I have a sleepover at their house? Sure, but the presents are gonna come to you. Okay. I wonder what it was. Yeah. Okay, come on. Miss Wolf. Oh, what? Miss Wolf. Okay, come on. Guess who I got a friend? Hey, guys. Tiny. Hey, guys. How y'all doing? Good. You gonna play Ninja Fighters? Sure, I love Ninja Fighters. You have that game? No, but I think I love it. Okay, come on. Let's go upstairs in my room. Wait, you have it upstairs to your room? Well, yeah, I do. Play the game. Ruff, let's play the game. And go out there. Oh, ow. Yeah, I don't think I can really get up there, but okay. Can we watch Crime Fighters instead? Sure, dude. Okay, I'm gonna sit on your bed. Sure, dude. Whoa. Crime Fighter, get up, boogie up, yeah. Yo. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Here on Crime Fighters. The suspect is gone. We don't know where he went. Dun. Let's watch this video. Oh yeah! I can't watch this part. I have to turn around. Yeah. Nah. Owie. But nah. Okay, we can see now. Dude, we can look now. Oh. Really? We can now? Whoa. We have to get one. Yeah, we do have to get one. This commercial's so cool. I want it. Mommy, I want it. Sweetie, you want what? Crime Fighters action figures. Oh, yeah. Sweetie, no, you can't. Too much money. And now let me go do the laundry. Oh man, oh man. My mom could probably buy you guys one. Christmas, dude, Christmas, Christmas! Wait, I thought we were still, I just got a high-pitched voice. I'm gonna go, I wonder what the girls are doing. They're probably putting on makeup. You like makeup, dude? No, I don't. Makeup's so girly-ish. 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 Yes, it's so girly-ish. 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 Dude, you wanna watch Scooby-Doo? Yeah, Scooby-Doo the Crab Fighters. The fight monsters, oh yeah. Yeah, monsters. What? It's just a ghost. Oh, this one's scary. Yeah, dude, it's scary. What's the big deal? It's just a monster. Dude, you're scared too. No, I'm not. It was just a joke. It was just a joke. It was just a joke. I gotta think it's just a joke. So, you wanna go play some? I don't know what we're gonna play. You wanna play a video game? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. Dude, you go first. Okay. Pew 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 pew. Miss Ruff. Yes. Yes. Can I have a cookie? Yes, you can. Owie. I get a cookie. I get a cookie. And I'm so tiny. I'm so tiny. Wait, I should get out of this video. I'm so tiny. I get a cookie. I get a cookie. Dude, can you please be quiet while... Here, you play the game. I've got it. That's not good. I got a cookie. I got a cookie. I got a cookie. I got a cookie. Here's your cookie. The cookie's so beautiful. That's because I just baked it. Oh. No. That was so good. Well, thank you. Yes. Here, let me take that. Whoop. Let's get... Look what the girls are doing. We should go to bed, dude. Yeah, we'll sleep up here. I'm going to my place. I guess I'm sleeping here. Wait, can I sleep down there? Yeah, sure, I'm always on higher levels. But I think I fell again. Okay, it's almost Christmas. Go sleep. Sleep. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to all of you. Dat, and super duper. And happy Christmas to all of you. Merry Christmas.